Well, you might notice our studio looks a little bit different today.
Yeah, just a tad.
That's because the fire that's brought Auckland Central City to a standstill is right next door to our TVNZ studio. So we're still going ahead with Tangata Pasifika here.
Absolutely. Now, speaking of hot topic, Marama, now the Tongan Cabinet passed a proposal to legalise the cultivation and production of hemp plants in Tonga for business purposes.
And what's the reaction been from
There's been
locals?
a lot of opposition from members of the public as well as those in the health sector in Tonga. But more on that on our future program.
OK, then. And also happening in the Pacific this week, if you're in Samoa, you'll be lucky enough, hopefully, to try palolo. Now, do you know what palolo is?
I've heard of it, but I haven't tried it.
It's like the caviar of the South Pacific. Ooh. And you can only ever get it once or twice a year, 7 days after the full moon. And so this week was when it happened. And apparently it's reached record prices. Someone even was asking for 50,000 sala for the jar. So John's got 50,000 Samoan sala. I'm still waiting to try some, so hopefully one day.
Also happening today or this afternoon, Tonga is going to be taking on Great Britain over in Waikato. So good luck to both teams, but Tonga's Invitational 13, you got this.